Struggling to find your Pipedrive referral link? In 60 seconds, you will have it copied and ready to share. I have seen so many people digging through settings and account menus completely lost, but it is way simpler than you think, and I am going to show you exactly where to click. First, we will open the referral program page. Then, we will locate and click the copy button. And finally, I will show you how to verify it worked and get it out there. So, the very first thing you need to do is open your Pipedrive account and head straight to the referral program page. Now, you can usually find this by clicking on your profile icon or your avatar in the bottom left corner of the screen. A menu will pop up, and you are looking for an option that says something like Referral Program or Refer and Earn. Just click that. This part is important because this is the only place that link lives. It is not hidden somewhere in your general settings. It is right here on this dedicated page. And here is the thing. A lot of people skip past this screen without really looking at it. But before you start copying things, take a quick moment to review the referral program overview. This is the section that tells you exactly what you get when someone signs up using your link. Sometimes the rewards change or there are special promotions running, so it is always good to know what you are offering before you start sending it out. Now, once you have glanced at that overview, let us find the button. Look to the upper right corner of that page. Do you see a button that says Copy Invite Link? It should be pretty obvious, usually a different color from the rest of the page, like a blue or green button. That is your golden ticket. Go ahead and click that Copy Invite Link button. It will happen instantly. You will not see a big loading spinner or anything. The system just grabs that unique personal link and copies it straight to your computer's clipboard. After you click it, pay attention to the screen. You should see a small confirmation message pop up. It usually says something like Link Copied or Invite Link Copied to Clipboard. This is your first piece of evidence that it worked. If you see that message, you are in good shape. But to be absolutely sure, let us do a quick test. Now, open a text editor, a new email, or even a chat application, just anywhere you can type. Once you have that open, right-click in the text field and select Paste. Or just use the keyboard shortcut Control-V on Windows or Command-V on a Mac. And there it is. A long, unique URL will appear. This is your personal Pipedrive referral link. It has your specific code attached to it, so when someone clicks it, Pipedrive knows you sent them. We did that verification step because I have seen people click the copy button, think it worked, and then send out a blank message. Or even worse, they send their personal login page by accident. So confirming it pasted correctly saves you a ton of confusion later. And now you are ready for the final step. You can share this link with friends, colleagues, or customers. Drop it into a team chat, put it in your email signature, or send it in a direct message. It is ready to go. So to recap, you opened the referral program page, you clicked the copy button, you saw the confirmation, and you pasted it to double check. That is all there is to it. Your Pipedrive referral link has been copied successfully and is ready to share with others. Go ahead and get that link out there. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.